Hi everyone, welcome to Insightful Maths. In today's session, we are going to discuss Heron's formula, which is a very important topic of grade 9 NCERT, where we'll discuss how to find the area of a triangle where the height is not given to us. Till now, we have learned how to find the area of a triangle. For example, have a look at this particular picture which is being given. The area of a triangle is half into base into the perpendicular distance. That means half into base into height. But in case height is not being given or this base is missing, so we'll find it difficult to find the area of any particular triangle. So we'll be discussing the method Heron's. This is basically given by a scientist or a mathematician, which is Heron's, who has introduced a method wherein if the sides of the triangle are being given, we can easily find the area of any triangle. So before I take the topic ahead, I request you all, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. Have a look here. Heron's formula says if there is a triangle where the length of the three sides are A, B and C. You can see here in the picture, if the length of the sides are A, B and C, you need to calculate the semi-perimeter first. Semi-perimeter means add all the three sides A, B and C and divide it by 2. You can see here, you have to find the sum of three sides and divide it by 2. That is known as semi-perimeter, which is denoted by the small s. And the formula for area of this triangle would be under the root S, that is semi-perimeter. In first bracket, the difference of S and the first side, difference of S with the second side, and difference of S with the third side. And we are taking the product of these four numbers. I repeat once again. The step number 1 is finding the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Semi-perimeter means the sum of three sides divided by 2. Once you find the semi-perimeter, the formula for area is under the root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. It's a very small formula. You might be finding it little, difficult at this moment because we haven't done any question yet. Once you will be solving 2 or 3 questions, this will become a very handy and easy for you. So let's start doing the questions based on this formula. This is, as per your rationalized syllabus, chapter number 10 is the Heron's formula. So this is question number 1 here. In total, there are only 6 questions in this particular chapter. So it's a very small and an interesting chapter. I hope you'll enjoy this. So it says there is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead and it is an equilateral triangle. Please mind this word. It is given, it's an equilateral triangle and the side is given as A. You need to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If the perimeter is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? Please have a look here. Consider this one. This is the signal board which we are talking about. This one is given to you as an equilateral triangle. It's mentioned here. Perimeter is given to us, that is 180 centimeter. Okay, 180 centimeter is given to us as the perimeter. We know that in an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is side plus side plus side. Or we can write it is 3 times side. And the value of this is given to us as 180 centimeter. So the value of A, one side will be equal to 180 divided by 3. This is quite obvious. 180 divided by 3 is what? That is equal to 60 centimeter. So using the perimeter, we have first calculated what is the length of one side. We need to find, question says the area of the signal board. I need to find what is the area of this one. But all the three sides are given. I do not have any base or height as such. So it will be, Heron's formula will be used. We need to find semi-perimeter first. What is the semi-perimeter? the sum of all the three sides, which is given to us as 180, I will write 180 here, divided by 2. This is the semi-perimeter. The sum of all the sides divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 is equal to what? That is 90 centimeter. I hope till here it is clear. First of all, from perimeter divided by 3, we have got the length of one side, which is 60. Now, semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2, which is 90 centimeter. Now, area is equal to under the root S minus A. In this particular case, all the sides are A only. So, rather than writing B and C, I am just repeating it like this. S minus A, S minus A. Why? Because we are talking about equilateral triangle and this B and C is again A. Let's take it further. The value of S, we have already calculated. It is 90. Second bracket is what? It is 90 minus A. And what is the value of A here? 60. So, second bracket is 90 minus 60. What is that equal to? That is 30. And straight away writing. Another two brackets are exactly the same. 90 minus 60, 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. So, I will write 30 here once again and another 30. I hope till here it is clear. How do we find the square root of any number? If two similar numbers are getting multiplied inside the root, one of the number gets vanished and one number goes out. So out of these two 30s, 130 I can directly take out. Another one I am now left with, it is 90 multiplied by 30. How we have done this? Out of these two 30s, I have taken 130 out. I am left with 90 into 30. Now, please have a look. 90 can be written as 3 into 30. 90 I have converted to 3 into 30 and one more 30 I am having. I have just split it. 90 as 3 into 30. Again, 2 times 30 is coming. So, out of these two, 1 will vanish and this will go out. So, outside I am having 30. पहले से ही था. ये वाला 30 has come out and another one we are left with just root 3. Root 3 is not a perfect square number. So, is the root as of now you cannot find out. So, this has to be left like this. Now, 30 into 30 is how much? 30 into 30 is 900. कैसे किया? 3 into 3 is 9 and both the zeros will go automatically along with root 3. What we are finding? We are finding the area and the unit of area is in square meters or square centimeter. Unit given here is centimeter. So, we'll simply write here along with root 3, it is centimeter square. That's your answer. Okay. So, Heron's formula we have used here to find out what is the value of the area of this one. Now, one thing you need to remember, if there is an equilateral triangle where the side is A, you just need to remember the formula. It can be verified using this Heron's formula as well. The formula is root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay, you can just remember this. It will be very, very useful for you in the Olympiads as well. It is root 3 upon 4 and the square of the side. This is the direct formula if only the sides of equilateral triangle are being given. Let's start the second question. Second question says, a triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. You can see here it's a flyover and the walls at the corner, these are triangular. Okay, I hope you are able to see it's a triangle. It is again a triangle. So, triangular walls are being used for the advertisement. The sides of the walls are given to you as 122, 22 and 120. It is given in the figure. The advertisement yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. Yielding and earning means how much money, the wall is being given. आपने अगर एक जगह you have taken on rent, so how much rent you need to pay? For 1 meter square, 5,000 rupees to be given for 1 year. Please mind the things given. For 1 meter square, 5,000 rupees to be given for 1 year. This is the charge for 1 year. The company hired one of its wall. We are having 2 walls here. Only one wall is hired only for 3 months. ये जो rent given है, it is for 1 year. We need to calculate just for 3 months. Question says, how much rent did it pay? How much rent company is supposed to pay? अब आप ध्यान से देखो. It is given, this 5,000 rupees to be given as per meter square. Meter square is the unit of what? It is the area. अगर आपके पास यहाँ पर एक ट्रायंगुलर वॉल है, इट्स अ कॉमन सेंस, तो एडवर्टीजमेंट आप कहाँ पेस्ट करोगे? यहाँ पे. और ये चीज क्या है? इट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. कैन वी अप्लाई हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला हियर? बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग 3 sides here. 3 sides are given and we know very well how to use 3 sides, how to find the area of a triangle when the 3 sides are given. So step number 1 is, we'll be finding the area of this triangular wall using the Heron's formula. First of all, find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is the sum of all the 3 sides, 122, 120 plus 22, and it has to be divided by 2. Let's first calculate the semi-perimeter. 122, then we have 120 and 22. It is 4, it is 6, and this is 2. So that means 264 divided by 2. It is 1, 3, and 2. And what is the unit? All these units are given in meters. So we have to write it is 132 meter. What we have calculated, it is the semi-perimeter. Sum of all the 3 sides divided by 2. Now you need to find the area. Area is equal to under the root semi-perimeter S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. It is under the root semi-perimeter is 132. Second bracket is 132 minus the first side. Dekho, this is your first side, which is 122. Another bracket is 132 minus the second side, which is 120. And third one is 132 minus 22. Okay, I have just inputted the values. Now please start calculating. Under the root, first number is 132. 132 minus 122. What is left out? Just 10. Now 132 minus 120. It is equal to just 12 into 132 में से अगर आप 22 माइनस करते हो, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 as it is. I hope till here it is very much easier. Up, what is the rule? We have to find the square root. Let us be smart enough to split the numbers so that we get two similar numbers inside the root and we can pick one number out. 132 कैसे मिलता है हमें? 132 can be written as the product of 12 and 11. If you prime factorize 132, it will be written as the product of 12 and 11. After that, we are having a 10 here. Then we are having 12, and 110 can be written as 11 into 10. And all these numbers are there inside the root. Now please have a look. 12 is coming 2 times. We can take 112 out. 11 is coming 2 times. 111 out. And 10 is also coming 2 times. 110 out. The product of 12 and 11, it is 132. Multiplied by 10, it is 0. So we have calculated the area of this portion. ये जो triangular portion है, इसका area is 1320 meter square. Now we need to calculate how much rent to be paid for this much area. Given information is how much. Now this part is very much थोड़ा सा technical you might find it, but please pay attention. This much I hope you must have understood and written, so I am just erasing it out. Please have a look here. For 1 meter square, per year. Okay, per year means for 12 months. I'm just writing in the bracket for 12 months. How much charges to be given? It is 5,000 rupees for 12 months. So if the value of more is given and the value of 1 is required, ज़्यादा का given है, एक का चाहिए. Always you need to divide. So for 1 meter square per month, per means 1. अगर 12 month का given है, 1 month का चाहिए, so this number has to be divided by 12. I'll keep it as a fraction only just for the sake of making my calculation easier. 1 meter square 1 month के लिए हमें चार्जेस इतना देना होता है, ठीक है. टोटल एरिया कितना है मेरे पास जिसने का मुझे रेंट देना है, ये इतना रेंट मुझे 1 मंथ में देना होता है, ठीक है. आई नीड टू गिव द चार्ज फॉर 3 मंथ्स. इसका मुझे थ्राइस भी करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये जो चार्ज है इट इज जस्ट फॉर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. बट हाउ मच इज द एरिया आई हैव टेकन? 1320. सो फर्दर यू विल कैलकुलेट. लेट मी जस्ट इरेज दिस पोर्शन. Area is 1320. We have just calculated. So total charges is the area that we have calculated 1320. For 1 meter square, it is 5,000 upon 12 per month. ये एक महीने का. But we have to give the rent for 3 months. तो हमें इसका थ्राइस करना होगा. दोबारा सुनो, ये वाला चार्जेस इज फॉर 1 मंथ. अगर मुझे 3 मंथ के लिए देना इसका थ्राइस, लेकिन इतने सारे पैसे इज फॉर जस्ट 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. बट माई टोटल एरिया इज दिस मच. सो ऑल दीज नंबर्स टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड. 3 into 4 is 12. Now 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12 along with a 0. So I am getting 330 multiplied by 5,000. All the zeros will go to your answer. 3 zeros here and 1 zero here. So I'll directly write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 33 has to be multiplied by 5. 5 into 3 is 15 and 15 plus 1 is 16. So the product is 165. And what is this amount? It is rupees. Don't forget to mention the denomination. What is the value, the unit? It is in rupee. So the total charges are 16,50,000 if this portion to be hired for 3 months, and the cost is 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay, interesting enough. Let's move to the next question. Next question is very much easier. I'll just give you the clue how to do that. Easily you can calculate. This is a slide in the park. You can see that it's the slide. The length of this side is 11, another is 6, and the bottom is given to you as 15. 3 sides are given in the question. It is written here, keep the park green and clean. Question says, find the area painted in color. ये जो आपको ब्लू में दिख रहा है ना, आपको इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालना है. कुछ है ही नहीं इसके अंदर. नो टेक्निकल थिंग्स आर देयर. पहले आप सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालो, एड ऑल द 3 साइड्स एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2. जो भी वैल्यू आपकी आती है, देन पुट इट इन द एरिया. दैट मीन्स अंडर द रूट दैट सेम वन, s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. You can easily get your answer. If you still find any doubt, any difficulty, just put it in the comment. I'll redo or I'll share the solution with you. Okay, so this I'm leaving for you to be done. Move to the next question. It says you have to find the area of a triangle. 2 of the sides are 18 and 10 and the perimeter is 42. It's a common sense. If I am talking about a triangle, okay, it has 3 sides. Let's say this is 18, this one is 10. Third, we do not know. It's not given. But the perimeter is given to us, which is 42 centimeter. How do we find the perimeter of a triangle? That is the sum of 3 sides. So that means 18 plus 10 plus x. The value of this one is given 42. 18 plus 10 is 28. So 28 plus x is 42. So what is the value of x? It is the difference of 42 and 28. यहाँ 28 plus है. On another side, it will be subtracting. So what is the answer here? It is equal to 14. अगर मैं दोनों का difference लेती हूँ, third side and what is the unit? It is given in centimeter. Third side आ गई, अब आपको और कुछ करना ही नहीं है. 3 sides are given and you just need to find the area. Okay? Find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means the perimeter divided by 2. देखो perimeter is already given. So 42 divided by 2 which is 21. S की value आ गई 21. Now area is under the root. Formula आपको लिखना है. I'm skipping for now because I have written it many times. S which is 21. Second bracket is S minus 8. So 21 minus 18 is how much? It is 3. 18 and 21 difference is 3. Now the difference of 21 and 10, it is 11. Now the difference of 21 and 14, it is equal to 7. ठीक है, I am just putting the values in the formula. Now under the root 21 क्या होता है? That is 7 into 3. I have splitted it. Another number is already 3. We are having 11. We are having 7. 7 is repeated 2 times. So 1 will get cancelled. Another will go out. Out of these 2, 3, 1 will be cancelled. Another will be out. Okay? Like this. I'm just assuming you all know already how to find the square root. 11 is alone. It is not paired up. So it will remain inside the root like this only. 7 into 3 is 21 root 11. Don't forget to put the unit which is centimeter square. That's your answer. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना था. Perimeter minus the sum of these two sides, you have got the third side. तीनों side आपको पता है. Use Heron's formula and your answer is 21 root 11. Okay. After this, let's move to the next question. Next question is very interesting. थोड़ा सा रेशो का ट्विस्ट है, रेस्ट इज ऑल सेम. रेशो आप समझो, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट रेशो, इट इज द वैल्यू इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. अगर मैं कहती हूँ द रेशो बिटवीन टू नंबर्स इज टू 3, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 2, अनदर नंबर इज 3. अगर मैं 20/30 लेती हूँ, इसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म और सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म भी 2/3 आता है. ठीक है, अगर मैं 40/60 लेती हूँ, आप देखो 0 0 कैंसिल, 2 and 3, ये भी 2/3 आता है. तो रेशो डजंट मीन दैट दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू. It means that there was a common factor attached with all these numbers which got cancelled. So ratio वाले all the questions में you just need to calculate what was the common factor first. ठीक है? So let us assume the common factor is x. So first side, answer number 5. First side is 12x. Second is 17x. 13 is 25x. तीनों side है ये. अगर मैं तीनों को ऐड करूंगी, I get the perimeter which is given to me as 540. Add all these numbers, you will get 54x is equal to 540. So what is the value of x here? It is 540 divided by 54, that is equal to 10. X की value आ गया, common factor. So what is the first side? हर एक side is getting multiplied with x. So first side has become 120, second has become 170, third has become 250. कैसे? हमने x 10 को हर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 12 into 10, 120, 170, 250. तीनों साइड आ गई. अब आप एरिया आराम से निकाल सकते हो. First of all, find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter divided by 2. Perimeter is already given 540 divided by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 7 is 40 along with a 0. Semi-perimeter is 270 centimeter. What is area? That is under the root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S is given to us as 270. Now the difference of 270 and the first side 120. How much is that? 0 minus 0 is 0 here. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Another bracket, difference of 270 and 170, directly we can write it as 100. Third bracket, the difference of 270 and 250, it is just 20. Okay? We have to find the under root of all these numbers. So I am splitting it now. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. There is a 0 attached, मैंने उसको लिखा 10. 15 can be written as 3 into 5, एक 0 attached है, 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10 and 20 can be written as 5 4s are 20. 5 यहाँ पे है, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. ठीक है? If you are unable to do the calculations directly, please use prime factorization and do that. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We'll make the pair. First pair में से 8 3 out. Now 8 3 यहाँ पर है, 8 3 यहाँ पर है. Another pair में से 1 more 3 out. You are having 10 here and 10 here. इस pair में से 10 out. Out of this pair, 1 more 10 out. 1 5 here and 1 5 here. 8 5 भी बाहर. Out of these two, 1 2 is out. Are we left with any other number? All are sorted. We are not left with. Root is cancelled. So you just need to take the product of these terms first. 3 into 3 is 9. हमने लिखा यहाँ पर 9. 5 into 2 is 10. Now 10 into 10 into 10. 3 times, that is equal to 9,000. That's the area, and what will be the unit of area? That is centimeter square. I hope this is now easy. The only thing was finding the value of x and then just simplifying using the Heron's formula. We have already done 5 questions. 6th question is very much simple that you can do yourself. It's about an isosceles triangle where the perimeter is given and the two equal sides are 12. Isosceles triangle is something like this, where two sides are equal and the third side is unequal. Equal sides are given to you as 12 12 and the perimeter is 30. हमने एक और क्वेश्चन किया था, आप थर्ड साइड निकाल सकते हो. 12 plus 12 is 24. 30 में से 24 माइनस करोगे, थर्ड साइड is 6. All the three sides are given. Now you can easily find what is the area of this isosceles triangle. ठीक है? If you're still having any doubt, please put in the comment option. If you have understood the topic, do not forget to put a like and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you so very much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.